Okay, then we're gonna try on Too Faced. Again, this is Lady Balls. This is their wand. Both of the reds, and the nudes are matte. I have to see if the metallic one is matte. I believe so. And they definitely both stain. Ooh, this one is nice. So this is Too Faced. Okay. It definitely stains. Let's do the finger test. On my finger though. I'm gonna hope it dries. So I don't know. Maybe it takes some time for it to dry. Next we'll try the nudie color. Again, this one is Queen Bee. Okay. I don't know about this one. I feel like this one is a little bit too pink on my complexion. Or it could be the eyes not complementing the lips. Like I just seen what I did. Okay, let's see. I think if I put a different color eyeshadow on, the lips might look a little better. Because this combination is not, I'm not feeling it. And I did let the lip stain sit a little bit longer, and it does get dry. If you're concerned about if it dries all the way, it does get a little dry. I guess they don't want it to get like too dry and then your lips are dried out and you need like, I don't know. Then at that point I think you need to put some chapstick on. So this is the Queen Bee.